Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very common problem, which may have occurred to everyone in their life. We are talking about sore throat. We will discuss sore throat causes, its home remedies and also over-the-counter medicine, which you can use to overcome the symptoms of sore throat. Before starting the video, do like and subscribe the channel. A sore throat is a painful, dry, or scratchy feeling in the throat. It may hurt more when you swallow or talk. The symptoms of a sore throat can vary depending on what caused it. A sore throat can feel like pain or a scratchy feeling in the throat. Pain that occurs when you swallow or speak. A hoarse or scratchy voice. Tonsils that are red and swollen. Swollen lymph nodes in the neck. Dryness, tenderness, irritation. Before discussing remedies for sore throat, let's first see what causes sore throat. Sore throat can be caused by colds, flu, and other viral infections, bacterial infections, allergies, dry air, smoke, chemicals, and other irritants. Now let's see easy home remedies and over-the-counter medicines, which you can use to overcome this problem. Honey. Honey is a traditional way of treating sore throat. People use honey as a medicine because it has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. It helps in fighting infection and providing pain relief. Honey has been known to soothe a sore throat, reduce nighttime cough, and speed up healing. To make this, mix 2 tablespoons of honey in a warm glass of water. Stir it well, and then drink. Gargle with salt water. A very old method, but very effective. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe a sore throat and break down secretions. It's also known to help kill bacteria in the throat. Make a saltwater solution, with a half teaspoon of salt in a full glass of warm water. Gargle it to help reduce swelling and keep the throat clean. This should be done every 3 hours or so. Apple cider vinegar. There is no scientific evidence related to apple cider, but people have been using this for centuries. Apple cider vinegar is a natural health tonic. Its main active ingredient is acetic acid, which helps fight bacteria. To help relieve throat pain, drink 1 cup of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Drink fluids. Fluids keep the throat moist and prevent dehydration. If your throat is dry, it will further worsen up the symptoms. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you. Keeping throat hydrated will quickly heal as well as make throat feel better. So drink more water. Ginger root tea. Ginger is a spice with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects that may help relieve throat pain. Ginger tea is available from most markets. People can also make their own ginger tea at home. Other than these, you can also take peppermint tea, chamomile tea, licorice root, for your sore throat. Now let's see over-the-counter medications that you can use to ease sore throat. Be well informed that these medicines should be strictly followed as per instruction of your doctor or pharmacist. Medicines such as ibuprofen and aspirin are used to relieve pain and inflammation associated with sore throat. There is a combination of aspirin along with vitamin C which is very effective in treating sore throat and flu condition. If you are going for throat sprays, then look for ingredients such as lidocaine, benzocaine or peppermint, which can effectively reduce throat pain. In lozenges, look for throat lozenges containing lidocaine or other types of numbing medicine that can help soothe a sore throat. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.